Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am here with the Nevermore Creation 17 for my design team project. Today I'm using the Ocean Music Kit. So I wanted to show you the pages real quick. I love these. When Lindsay came out with this, I was just so excited because I love nautical because I am a boater. So this one is, I think, my favorite. Oops, I got this mixed up here. So there's the one sheet. Ooh, why did we do that one? I got printed on the wrong paper. And here's music. The one with the octopus. Seahorses. I think there was 13 pages if I remember right. And this one I love too. I love them all, but obviously I have my favorites. This one is cute. And that one's really cute. Look at that seahorse. So cute. Lindsay did a great job on this one. Well, she does a great job on all of them, but I'm partial to nautical, so. There's that one. And I love the colors, the blues, the purples, and the peachy colors, pinks. And there's this one. And the seashells. And here's some ephemera, some tags. Use them for pockets or, you know, whatever you want. And then there is this one as well. Which way? Do I have it upside down? Yeah, it goes this way. So that is the 12 pieces of the 12 pages that you will get in the kit. And it's called Ocean Music. And I'll have a link down below where to get that. And so let's get on to the journal. Okay, here is my journal for Nevermore Creation 17. This is for December 2018. And I had a great time using this kit because, like I said in the beginning, I love nautical because being a boater, anything related to boats and water, I love. So here is my cover. This is cardstock, and this is a hard bound book that I made. So it's very sturdy. And this is blue jean material here. This is muslin with a anchor stamp on it, and I sewed around it. And this is cardstock. I put the corners on. Here we go. I'm on video, and I totally freeze up and don't remember everything I was saying. So it has 2 signatures, and I've got 3 sections sewn in to make sure it stays in well. And I did make a small tassel for this one, which I actually thought turned out pretty cute. And I have clips on this one with seam binding, which you can untie and retie as the book grows. So as of right now, you just clip it and like that and open it. So on the inside cover and back cover, I used a vintage music sheet, and it's called The Foggy Day. And I thought, well, that's perfect because if you've ever been out on a boat during the mornings, especially in like late spring, it is foggy. You get foggy days. So that just reminded me of being on the water. And here's the first page of the kit. Thought that was really cool. And I forget how many pages too. It's probably like 50 or 60. Here's a pocket I made with a book. This is muslin and cheesecloth. And I stamped on it. And then I made these tags. And this is kind of tight. But here's the one tag. Oh, I actually had it in there upside down. Goes like this. It says, "Wonder is the beginning of wisdom." So it's some stamp I had. And what I did for this is, I have this cardboard on the back. And this is, it was a book page. that I put, it's a book page that I just sewed, and then I glued it down and it kind of bubbled up. So I took some Tim Holtz tea dyed, or one of the other ones. I think it was walnut stain. Either walnut or it was this other one. I think it was walnut stain. And I went over it and I thought it kind of made it look like wood. Like, reminded me of a boat. And here's the second tag. It's a little longer. And it was sewn on and stamped. Those 2 pockets there. And that is a vintage book page. We'll put that in later. This is cardstock. I thought it was a map, so I thought that went good with boating. There's another sewn in, well, that one's glued in. Glued in muslin. And a tag I made, just like that. There's coffee dyed paper. There's on the seahorses. And this is a old envelope. I liked it because it had a big window in it, and that's the library card catalog card. Oh, I'm sorry. I get on here, I just go blank. There's some food coloring paper, some more music paper, tag. That's from one of Lindsay's, a different kit of Lindsay's, but I put it in here because the turtles go with fish, and we always see turtles at the lake. And this is my painty paper I made. Here's another pocket down here, corner flip. That, another tag here. And then I have a little charm on here of an anchor. And I used one of these from fishing. And this is new, it's not used or anything. So it doesn't have any fish guts or anything on it. And a muslin tab. I hope you can see that. It says an anchor on it. And then this was a piece of wallpaper. It had a boat on it, and this is the clouds and everything. So I turned it into pockets. Just flip it open, and it's sewn with some lace there. And there's a pocket here that I did some stitching on. Another tag. I got a fish stamp. And I like this fabric because it was remind me of water. That. And again, I used the blue because it reminded me of water. Coffee dyed paper. There's another pocket. Another little tag. Another stamp. There's the center. That's another tag that was in the kit. Again, it was sewn around. And again, blue because it reminded me of water, and it's got little wavies in it. This is off of sample books, the bottom that has the cardboard on it, if you're familiar with those. Coffee paper. And here's another one that I stitched on. Looks like little waves. Another tag. The other pocket. Another flip, little tabby here. There's another corner pocket. Flip with that. And of course I forgot what that's called. All the little stuff there piled up. Oh, here's a belly band. I was messing around checking my stamp, and then I was cleaning up, and I'm like, oh wow, that actually looks good. So I stuck that in there for a belly band. The other pocket. Another pocket. Fabric pocket with a tag. Okay. And this is a little tuck spot here. And there's just a little homemade ribbon. And then where the thing is, where the tassel's stuck, and I have a little Purple Flower Brad. And here's another one of those pockets with 2 tags. Another tag there. And the paper clip with the I decorated. Another tag. Another one of those. It looks like water and waves. So lots of areas for writing or putting pictures or whatever you want to do. And there's a doily spot, and I thought, oh, that'll fit right good in there. Coral or plant thing. And here's another little pocket from a ledger. Another card catalog, another flip, another tag, and a map, because when you're in a lake and stuff, well, not the lake we go to, but we've been to lakes where you need to navigate. And another envelope, and I just love that too. And here's another bead. I just thought it was really pretty. Somebody made this. So you could actually hang something else from it, because there's a little hook on the bottom, but I just thought that was really pretty with the blue. Remind me of water again. Another little fabric, homemade ribbon. Another pinky paper, coffee paper. There's the center. Coffee paper. This has a lot, like I said, lots of blank spots for you. You can add to it. I do have lots of tags and pockets. And there's a glassine bag in here with nothing in it at the moment. Another pocket. And I'm not sure if it will have anything in it. I may just leave it there for you to put your own stuff in. Just have to see. And there's that. There's another tag. Another side pocket and tag. There's a belly band. This has a piece of muslin with a stamped anchor wheel or boat. The wheel for the boat. You know, we don't have one like that, so I really don't know what it's called. We have a steering wheel in our boat. And so there's like a little belly band there. And then the back, the rest of the music paper. I really didn't want to cover it up. I was going to put a thing, and I might put it over here, but I didn't want to cover that, so that is it. I just fell in love with this book. There's the back page. Oh, the spine. Oh, we remembered the name. So, that is my December journal for Nevermore Creation 17. I'll have a link down below for Lindsay's store where you can buy this kit. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. And this will be in my Etsy store by the end of the day. So thanks so much for stopping by, and I will see you again soon. Bye.